Welcome back, everybody. This is a review on the Ozark Trail 9-person Insta Tent, and it states it's a 2-minute setup, but it actually takes more like 4 or 5 minutes. You do have a couple poles that you need to put together, and of course the rainfly takes a few minutes to put on, and then going around and anchoring it all down with your anchors.
We've had this tent for a couple of years and it seems to be holding up really well. I don't really have any complaints about it.
I think this is our 3rd or 4th year with the tent, and we've been in some pretty big storms.
Oh yeah.
And it hasn't leaked at all. And one nice thing about this tent is the screened-in porch.
That is nice.
It keeps the bugs out. It's a second guard against the bugs. So we'll go over everything as we set it up and show you how long it takes in real life time. This Ozark Trail Instant Tent states that it takes 2 minutes to set up. I know from past experiences it takes a little longer than that, but we'll find out. Do the front fold, we'll just extend them more right now. I should see the At this point I like to do the rainfly. Since it's a little bit lower yet, you can get the rainfly over the top a lot easier. again with the little grooves in it. There, and honey. Grooves in it. And the final steps are just to clip these on. Pull your rainfly up over the top. And the only last step you have is to make sure you stake down all your corners. This tent has a screened-in porch, just kind of nice. Keeps the bugs out. It's just another second layer for protection of bugs. It does have the extension cord port right here. There is a 2-door system. This is considered, I believe, a 9-person tent, and we sleep 3 to 4 pretty comfortably inside of here. Here's just a quick look all the way around the tent. Nice thing about this is the rainfly comes way over the top here of the screen porch. You don't have any rain getting on your doors. You can keep your gear up underneath here. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed the setup and preview of this Ozark Trail tent. Hope you guys get out and enjoy some camping of your own with your family. Thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.